It's time for Go Colorado. I'm your host, Shalene Cockrell. If you need any type of work done on your roof, this morning we're going to be talking about why you need to make sure you use a local and established roofing company. With me this morning in the studio is Scott McIntyre, the CEO and owner of Total Roofing. So glad to have you here.
Well, thank you.
And for every homeowner, you're probably going to have your roof replaced more than once during the time of owning your home. But how do you know if a roofing company is established?
Well, the best place to look is definitely the BBB. They're going to have all the records that you're looking for. They're going to look at how long the company's been in business, if they've had any issues with that company, and they'll tell you how long they've been in business.
So they can give you the facts to know if they've been around and been doing this for a while. And why is it so important, though, to make sure you find a roofing company that is established?
Well, the main reason is their workmanship warranty. If they've only been in business for a couple of months or 6 months or 9 months, and they're offering a 2 to 5 year workmanship warranty, well, they're not established, and that's not really valid. So you want to choose somebody that's been established for at least 2 years. 98% of all contractors fail within the first 2 years.
Wow, so it's really important to know that they have been up and running and offering their services for quite a while. And in addition to being established, there's also an added benefit if the roofing company is local.
That's right.
Why is that?
Well, that keeps the jobs here local. It keeps their money here. You know, we're a local company that has been established here for since 2005. So your money stays here. We provide jobs here, and those jobs provide money for all other kinds of businesses here. So it's real important for our local economy.
And for you guys, what are the benefits of somebody choosing you who are local and established over maybe some of the others that may have those same qualifications?
Well, you know, we're an Owens Corning Platinum Preferred Contractor on top of that, and that's a pretty unique designation. There's very limited openings for that, and we can offer really, really great warranties with that designation.
Which is fabulous. And there's tons of new roofing companies out there and a lot of door knockers. I'm sure many of you have had the roofing companies come to your house knocking on your door about checking the roof. Why are there so many of these new types of roofing companies?
Well, you know, there's not a lot going on in the community as far as construction goes. So carpenters and carpet layers and anybody that has any kind of construction knowledge or expertise is doing roofing. That's pretty much the only thing going on. So you want to make sure you're getting a real roofer as well.
Well, that's interesting. So it may not be their specialty. It's something that they do, but it's not their specialty, and that's why you're seeing so many of these other types of things going on. Well, you guys are offering a great incentive today for viewers to come out and have your roof inspected by Total Roofing, which is completely free. If you call and mention that you saw this segment on Go Colorado, with your free T-Lock roof inspection, you will also get a $10 gas card. How does somebody know that they actually need an inspection?
Well, you know, living in Colorado, everybody needs an inspection, especially if you haven't had your roof replaced in the last 2 years. Definitely want to have it inspected.
Okay, Total Roofing, local established company. They are the ones to call. If you have a T-Lock roof, get a free inspection and a $10 gas card. And of course, any roof you have is a free inspection to come out to see if there's damage.
Absolutely.
You can find out more by going to totalroofingco.com, or you can call them directly at 591-4947. Thanks so much for joining me.
Thank you.
We'll see you next time. Go Colorado is a paid advertisement.